Seems like you're using a lot of high pass filters. Do you ever use low pass filters to clean out some stuff for vocals?
Yeah, I'll do them on both. You'll see low pass more, like maybe on my guitars and stuff. If that top end, it just all. Sometimes the top end on the guitar is just there's no value to it, and you find you taking it down, and when you get that out of the way, you just got the nice guitar.
Yeah.
But yeah, on vocals, sometimes this was not the record to take vocal top end off the vocal. He wants that air, and that's why I have all those effects creating that air.